Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 5, the types of animal and plants. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about type of plants. So let us know about type of plants. Types of plants. There are variety of the plants around us, but plants are being grouped into two types. First, non-flowering plant, and second, flowering plants. So dear student, plants are basically of the two types: non-flowering plants and flowering plants. After that, non-flowering plants are further being grouped or divided into smaller groups, and this smaller group of the non-flowering plants are first mosses, second ferns, and third conifers. These are the three type of non-flowering plants which do not bear flower. Next is flowering plant. Flowering plants are being divided into two types on the basis of seed. So first, monocots, and second, dicots. Dear student, those plants which used to bear seed with single cotyledon known as monocot, and which used to bear a seed with two cotyledon is known as dicot. Now I am going to explain about non-flowering plants. So non-flowering plants are further divided into three smaller groups: mosses, ferns, and conifers. So let us start with mosses. Now I am going to explain you characteristic feature of mosses. First, mosses are very small, green, flowerless plant. Flowerless plant. Second, mosses grow in damp and shady area. Shady area or places. Third, they spread in the form of green carpet. three characteristic feature of mosses. Let us know. Mosses are very small. Mosses are very small, green and flowerless plant. Dear student, you may have seen green carpet like over the plain surface of the rock or on the boundary wall. While you touch it, you feel like velvet. A small flowerless plant known as mosses. Mosses grow in damp and shady area. What do you mean by the damp? Where there is moisture. And shady area means no sunlight can reach. Such place is known as shady area. So mosses prefer to grow in damp and shady places. They spread in the form of green carpet. Green carpet over the rock surface or in tree trunk in forest. So dear students, mosses spread like green carpet. Green carpet on rock surfaces or in tree trunk. So these are the characteristic feature of the mosses, dear student. Next I am going to explain you about ferns. Ferns are a group of green plants that have neither seed nor flower. Second, ferns are bigger in size than mosses. Third, ferns have stem and leaves. Fourth, ferns are used as decorative plants. So dear student, these are the characteristic feature of ferns. Ferns are a group of green plants that have neither seed nor the flower. Means ferns have neither seed nor flower. Ferns are bigger in size than mosses. Ferns have stem and leaves or distinguished stem and leaves. Fourth, ferns are used for decoration, or you can say used as a decorative plants. Next I am going to explain you about conifers. Third, conifers. First, conifers Scaly cone cell structure. Structure contain reproductive part. So dear student, these are the important characteristic feature of conifers. Conifers are very tall and cone-shaped structure plant. Means conifers are of the cone-shaped. Second, conifers have fine needle-like leaves. Needle-like leaves. Third, they bear scaly cone-shaped structure which contain reproductive part, male and female. So dear student, these are the characteristics of non-flowering plant. So please read the topic of non-flowering plant and learn characteristic feature of mosses, ferns and conifers. So dear student, in this video this much. In the next video I will explain you about flowering plants. Thank you dear students.